Hey everyone, when it comes to online learning, we can all upload a pre-recorded lesson, but it may feel more complicated, more confusing, like there's more to manage when it comes to hosting a live online class. So let me give you a real quick walkthrough to show you how easy it is with Vedubox. I'm going to go to my instructor portal, and there is a live tab. I click Add New, choose my course, the course that this lesson will be associated with, and that gives me a little form which I fill out, just the title, description, time, etc., and click save, and I'm done. Now you're probably thinking, okay, David, that's the easy part, putting in the title, description. What about the hard stuff, the invitations, the notifications, hosting, recording? All that's taken care of in the background by Vedubox as soon as you click save. Remember, this lesson was associated with a course, so whatever your notification email settings are for that course, that'll apply to this. The students who are part of that course, they'll see it on their calendar, they'll be able to just click and join. This is the instructor's view, which is something similar. You could see it just puts it right there on the calendar with the join button. As far as the meeting itself, this is integrated with your Zoom account. You know how to use Zoom. It's going to be hosted on Zoom, and your students are going to be comfortable on Zoom. It's just going to be a regular Zoom meeting. And finally, the recording will go in the library tab for you and your students. So with Vedubox, hosting live online lessons is pretty much just as easy as pre-recorded. I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.